Application here allows you to track matches across all the world. So as you can see here, matches that's being played today, what's going on right now as well. It may not have everything as it relates to sports, but I will say we'll have most of the things as well. So here I can see what was played yesterday, and as well you can tap on any one of these options and you can go ahead and check where you can also watch this match or watch the highlights of the match and as well the competition or the league. So as you can see here, it's a A-League, Women's League, pretty much a Women's League. And when the match was played, 4 hours until the kickoff, whatever the cases are, upcoming match, whatever the cases. So here you have the today matches and you have the tomorrow matches that's going to be played. So this application here pretty much keeps you updated as it relates to matches being played around the world. So if I do tap on the 3 dots at the top here, you have a lot of options where you can refresh the list down here. It will pretty much give you some other updates. You can tap on the random option as well. It will give you a random match that's being played right now, as you can see here. And yeah, that's all you pretty much use the application. And if you do tap on the explore option, you'll be able to find specific matches that you'd be interested in. Let's say La Liga, Premier League, and pretty much have to just look for what you want. And yeah, you're pretty much good to go. Let's say, for example, I select this second place option here and it will show me all the upcoming matches and the matches that's been played today and whatever the case is. And if you want to keep up to date, do make sure to tap on the follow option and enable the notification option for it to show when other matches are going to be played and so forth. So very simple application to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. And if you still don't understand, you have any questions that you may want to ask, just let me know in the comment section and I will see if we can help you out. And as well, you can become a supporter by just getting your subscription. As you can see here, becoming a supporter allows you to get certain features. As you can see here, what you be getting as you raise your subscription. They offer a yearly subscription and a 6-month subscription here, and they do give you a 14 days free trial to test out your application and so forth. And as well, you can go in the settings option here and manage the teams or the leagues that you're following as well. So that's pretty much it for this application here. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.